Come test drive the 2018 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, roof rails, remote keyless entry, front wheel drive, remote vehicle start, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, cruise control, power outlet, console. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.